Hey everyone, welcome back to Invest IQ. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for weekly insights into smart investing. Today we're exploring some straightforward ways to start making money through investing. Whether you're just beginning or looking for ways to grow your portfolio, we've got you covered. Let's get into it. First on our list is index funds. These funds are a fantastic entry point for new investors. By tracking an index like the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq, you gain exposure to a diverse array of companies. This diversification helps to spread risk. Index funds are known for their low fees and passive management, which means you don't have to constantly monitor the market. Over the long term, they've historically provided solid returns. Next up, let's talk about dividend-paying stocks. These are shares in companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Not only can these dividends provide a steady income stream, but they can also be reinvested to purchase more shares, leveraging the power of compounding. Look for companies with a stable history of dividend payments and a strong financial position to reduce your risk. Now let's explore robo-advisors. These platforms use algorithms to manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They automatically adjust your portfolio, handle rebalancing, and often come with lower fees than traditional advisors. Robo-advisors are ideal for those who want a hands-off approach to investing while still benefiting from professional management. Moving on to real estate crowdfunding. This method allows you to invest in real estate projects without needing to purchase properties outright. By pooling funds with other investors through platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul, you can earn returns from rental income and property appreciation. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio beyond stocks and bonds. Just be sure to research the platforms and understand the associated risks. Lastly, let's discuss peer-to-peer lending. Platforms such as LendingClub and Prosper connect investors with borrowers seeking personal loans. As an investor, you lend money to these borrowers and receive interest payments in return. It's a way to generate income, though it does come with the risk of borrower defaults. Diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers can help mitigate some of these risks. To wrap things up, here are a few additional tips to enhance your investing journey. 1. Start small. Begin with a manageable amount and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence and experience. 2. Educate yourself. Keep learning about different investment options and strategies. Knowledge is your best tool in investing. 3. Monitor regularly. Even with passive investments, it's important to review your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. 4. Stay patient. Investing is a long-term game. Avoid the temptation to chase quick returns and stay focused on your overall strategy. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content on smart investing. Thanks for watching Invest IQ, and we'll see you next time with more tips to help you grow your wealth.